Here I have Infinix Smart 6 HD, and today I'm going to show you how to check IMEI number and also serial number of this device. So the first method, you open keypad and enter the secret code, which is *#06#, and here you can see your IMEI 1, IMEI 2 and also phone serial number. And the second method, you open settings, then go to the my phone section, and then here you can find your IMEI 1, IMEI 2, and also in model you can find your serial number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.